Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F5, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, we're going to pull down our toggles from the top right side. So just do a swipe down like this, and you will see a bunch of your toggles. Now if you don't see the Do Not Disturb mode on this page, you can swipe, and this will show you a second page, which I can already see my Do Not Disturb mode is right over here. Now this is the default location of the toggles, so hopefully you can find your Do Not Disturb mode in the same exact place. From here, once you see this toggle, first time around you want to hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize it. Just need to scroll down a little bit down. So here we have Do Not Disturb, and click on it, and we have obviously the toggle to turn it on. Then we have a toggle to when device is locked, meaning the Do Not Disturb mode will only work when you lock the device and you don't use it. Then we have notify about calls, so we have none by default. So basically everyone who tries to call you will be kind of muted, but you can change it to, for instance, anyone, which defeats the purpose of this mode, contacts only, or favorite contacts. And then we have also notify about repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be bypassing whatever you have selected right here. And a last option is the schedule mode. So here you can add a schedule, name it whatever you want. Then we have start and end time, and then repeat. So you can select each day of the week or specific days of the week if you want to. And there you go. And click on the check mark. If you want to use a schedule, just make sure it's toggled on in here, and that's all you need to do. But for everyone else who wants to use their Do Not Disturb mode occasionally, you would probably be turning on manually. So find the toggle, tap on it, and there you go, it is now enabled. Now one more thing to keep in mind once you enable it is to also turn it off. Do Not Disturb mode here has no way of turning off automatically. Some devices come with an option like that, but here when you turn it on, you also need to turn it off by tapping on it once again. If you don't, it will be running indefinitely in the background. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.